For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to head over to this PC and then click on your C drive. And then you want to click on Program Files x86. Once you're on it, you want to scroll down and then you want to double click on Steam. And then you want to scroll down again, double click on Steam Apps. And then you want to double click on Common. Once you're on the folder with all your games, you want to find the game that you're having a problem with. So for example, I'm having a problem with VR chat, so I'm going to double click on it. And then I'm going to double click on Easy Anti-Cheat. And then you're going to find Easy Anti-Cheat setup right here. Your Easy Anti-Cheat might be corrupted, so we're going to right click on it. And then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. And then a setup wizard should come up. And you should be able to repair it. But it will only come up if your Easy Anti-Cheat is actually corrupted. If the repair wizard has not come up, that means your Easy Anti-Cheat is not corrupted. So for the second method, you want to head over to your Steam library and then you want to find the game that you're having a problem with. So you want to right click on your game and then click on Properties and then you want to click on Installed Files. And then you want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will take a while, but just do it. If that's still not working, for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in appwiz.cpl and click on Enter. Once you're on this, and you want to look for Steam and then you want to uninstall it. And then click on Yes, follow the steps to uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, we're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to head over to this PC again and then you want to click on your C drive. And then we're going to click on Program Files x86. We're going to scroll down and then you want to delete the Steam folder as well. Once you've deleted the Steam folder, we're going to go back and then click on Program Files. And then you want to scroll down again and look for Steam. If you have Steam again, then just delete that as well. Once you delete all of that, you want to right click on your recycle bin, click on empty recycle bin and click on yes. Now once you do that, you want to reinstall Steam and then your problem should be fixed.